Alright, let's do group anagrams with Python. And so we're given an array of strings strs, group the anagrams together. Here we can get a brief description. It's just a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of different word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. And you can return the answer in any order. So we know that we want the output to be in a list. So let's just let the answer, or sure, let answer, sorry, what am I doing? It's not JavaScript. So the answer is equal to an empty array. And we want to group them in such a way that the strings with identical letters, regardless of their arrangement, are grouped together. So for this one, we're gonna probably use hash maps. And yeah, okay, so we have to first iterate through the input, through the list input, the input list. So we'll do for let's do for word in strs. Wait, no. No, it's fine, yeah. For word in strs, we'll do the key is equal to, well, the key has to be a tuple, right? Because it has to be immutable. So we'll do, we can actually use a sorted for the word. So we can sort it in alphabetical order. So in the first example, this would be rearranged as A, E, T, this as AET as well, this as ANT, and etc. So, oh yeah, we have to make this a tuple. So we'll make this a tuple. Is that good? Okay. Okay, now we have a tuple. Now we have a key in the form of a tuple. And we want to initialize our hash map. So actually, I should make the hash map. Okay, we'll do, we'll just call it anagram hash map. We'll just initialize it like that. If the you have to check if the index of the hash map at that particular instance is initialized. So we don't want to initialize it every iteration. So we'll just first check. So if key not in anagram hash map, then we will say anagram hash map key is equal to initializing it, and then we can append, so we can add to our hash map at anagram hash map key dot append the word, right? So we'll append the word. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Key, and then okay. So if you have, for the first key, it's just gonna be AET, and we're gonna append the word eat. I think that should work. You know, well, let's just print this anagram hash map dot values. Let's just run that. Oh, my bad. Forgot an H. Okay, yeah, so I got E. It's got ET. That's good. ET10. Okay, it's looking good so far, I think. Are we overdoing this? 10. Okay, so this is one key. This is another. Okay, it seems to be repeating itself sometimes. Okay, well let's first add this. Let's just return this answer first. So we're gonna have to first add this to our list. So we'll do for let's just say for key in anagram hash map, we will say our answer dot append. Oh, I forgot something. Sorry, I forgot the dot values. Actually, I should say for value in anagram hash map dot values, and then we'll append the value, and then we can exit this for loop, and we'll return answer. That should be correct, I think. Return answer. Okay, nice. Let's see what happens if we submit it. So where's submit? There. Okay, nice. So as you can see, it works. It took 10 milliseconds. Beats 87.22%. I mean, nice. That's pretty good. All right.